With Ukraine reducing the movement on the other side of Dnipro River, Russia has tried to increase their activities. However, with poor result, as Ukraine's drone army can work very effectively in this area, taking out each boat located on the river, with both FPV drones as well as drones dropping down blast fragmentation grenades, being very effective against soft targets. With great precision, the result becomes even more devastating, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.